Hello everybody, welcome to this video. First, let me to introduce myself. My name is Putumenda Dewi. In this video, I will to show you about the procedure of table setup in food and beverage service. And let's check this out. For the first, let's set up the tablecloth that matches the size of the table. Check each side of the table so that the tablecloth has parallel side. The second, put the accessories table like a flower vase, toothpick, salt and pepper, sugar in the center of the table. Third, put the soup cup and measure between the soup cup and the side of the table with one index finger. Four, put the water goblet and hold on to the water goblet stand. Five, put the B&B plate and dinner plate. And then measure again with the index finger. Six, put the all cutleries such as soup spoon, dinner knife, dinner fork, appetizer fork, dessert spoon, and dessert fork. And the last, put the napkin on top of the plate. And that's all my explanation about the procedure of table setup. And thank you for watching.